Is Bitcoin mining worth it in March 2019? So let's mine away. Hello guys and welcome back to BitTruth with your host Mark Luther. Today's video we're looking at Bitcoin and can you actually start your Bitcoin mining in 2019 actually, with Bitcoin mining machines, maybe build a Bitcoin mining farm. So let's start with ASIC miner value. Now as you can see, this website has all the ASICs known to humankind, and we are going to see the most profitable to the most unprofitable and give some details and conclusions. So let's start with the eBank E11++. This is the most profitable by far. Don't look at this profitability here. We are going to make our own calculations. So 44 terahashes per second with 1980 watts. Now actually the miner I think is over, so no, it's still on shipping, so still, if you buy right now you will get it probably by next month. So anyways, here we are on 44,000 gigahashes, 1980 average of the United States power. The hardware cost, that's without the shipping and the VAT, I believe. Let's calculate that. I'm so hyped. So days to break even 1640, which is even worse than GPUs. Guys, Bitcoin mining is even worse than GPUs at this point. Anyways, the profitability per day is $1, but that is not bad because $1 per day is better than cents per day, but still you will break even there, but still here you will break even better. So if I were you guys, I would stay with these legit Bitcoin mining sites, and I would just buy myself a Bitcoin ant miner or Bitcoin miner. Anyways, T343T. Now this is a new one from Silicon, guys. Now this one actually pumps about 43 terahashes per second, give or take 5%, with 2100 watts, and this profitability is not accurate. This is their site, and it will be shipment within 1 month. Now these Bitcoin miners, I see that there's a lot of demand on them. That's hence you have these big prices, unless there is like a big monopoly on trying to make them really like overbought, but I'm not sure. Anyways, you have like $2,279. If we go right here, 43,000, 2,100 watts, I believe, right? And here 12 cents, $2,279, and then hit the calculate button. So per day you are going to get less than the eBank E11++. You are going to get about 73 cents profit per day, which is annual at $267 profitability. Now if you are Bitcoin mining profitable, meaning that you are really just having a Bitcoin mining for free, having no electricity, you have to pay, maybe you're in college, or you work in an establishment where you have permission to actually start Bitcoin mining and build a small or a mini Bitcoin mining farm. Well, the amount of money you are going to make is actually astronomical. You are going to break even in 1 year. That's if the price is down. Now for the big Bitcoin miners, that get lower electricity rates, about like 5 cents or even lower, these guys are actually making a profit of $4 on one miner. And we're talking about big investors, but we are actually, the small investors. So let's actually, live in our world just for once. So anyways, that's for the Silicon. Now the old eBank 11++, the plus, I mean 1+. This is different from this one. This is the older version, I believe. As you can see, 2035 watts, 37 terahashes, $1,517. Now the problem is with this miner, guys, is that it needs 50 individuals. So 50 individuals, I think 50 individual purchases. That means like a quantity, you need at least 50. You can't go lower. Yes, right. So in terms of BTC mining, so really it's really hard to start with this one. Anyways, let's say you have one, just with calculations, not a lot of profitability, in that sense. Hence you now have the 11++. That's about $9 loss, per year. But of course, if you have lower electricity rates, for example, the other day I talked with someone that has 10 cents per kilowatt hour. Seems profitable to me, about 95 cents per day. Anyways, if we need to buy 50 miners, that will take about $75,850 worth of investment to actually start with the eBank or eBit 11+. Anyways, let's go to Bitmain. Let's start with the numbers. 28 terahashes per second with 1596 watts okay, consumption, give or take, of course, 5%. Okay, you will get around, you know, a price of $1,020. Now they say, you know, it's sold out, but maybe on other third-party apps, I mean sites. Anyways, that's about, if we get it for $1,699, that's $600 profit for these people. Trusted vendor. Okay, these are all trusted vendors. We have to take their name on this one. I mean, Mining Cave is a trusted one. Okay, Blockforge, I'm not sure. BitTech is a trusted one. Okay, I watched a lot of videos that have miners from them. Okay, so anyways, okay, in terms of cryptocurrency mining, okay, with all variables put in, still you are going to make a loss on the Bitmain. So really, the best miner you can get is the 11++. Even if you have to pay like 2,600, it's still worth it in terms of its hash rate and, you know, intake of electricity. But you know, I don't think that you need to buy. There's no limit, like to buy 50 together, like to buy a whole batch. So yeah, I don't think that you need to really waste a lot of money just like the 11+, where you have to buy 50 individual, you know, miners. Now, if you really don't understand things about Bitcoin mining, or how Bitcoin mining works, or you know, what is Bitcoin mining in general, what is, you know, mining Bitcoin, you know, I have a full free ebook course on this one, okay, about Bitcoin, totally free. Just download the button, okay, just, you know, click on it and you will download an auto ebook course that you can read, and it includes Bitcoin mining things. So along with the other stuff, okay, you will know everything you need to know about Bitcoin mining is also available. Okay, I included all that in my course that I've been working for 1 month now, and I would be really happy, guys, if you read that. Okay, because you know, I have put a lot of work, and if you're actually a beginner and I try to make a difference in your cryptocurrency portfolio in this year, in this, you know, bullish year that we have, okay, I would be more than happy, guys, to actually, you know, start mining Bitcoin, start mining cryptocurrencies, you know, build yourself a Bitcoin mining farm for your future, guys. This is the future of cryptocurrencies, a really big future, because cryptocurrencies, I'm really bullish on them, because since a year from now I really changed in terms of perspective, you know, on the cryptocurrency market as a whole, and what is a scam and what is not, you know, what are the best coins, what are the best altcoins. I mean, you know, there's a lot of things in this cryptocurrency market that I think a lot of people can leverage, and of course Bitcoin is on top of these lists. You know, there will come one day where you will have one Bitcoin valued at 20,000 or 30,000 or 50,000 of how rare it is, because at the end of the day there are so many people on earth that it will actually, you know, suffice 21 million Bitcoin supply. That's the only supply you will have. There's no, you know, manipulation of supply, there's no inflation. It's a scarce resource, even more scarce than, you know, gold in that sense, because gold, I believe, like if we have all the gold on earth, okay, based on studies, and we melt them all, they will only get to about 3 Olympic pools, which is really insane. Along with that side, let's melt all these bitcoins, all these digital bitcoins, and see how much pools they actually fill. So guys, in terms of Bitcoin mining, this is basically, you know, basic introduction. Now, is it worth it to start Bitcoin mining? Of course. With the eBank 11++ coming, you know, there's more than a big room to actually start Bitcoin mining, you know, and build a stable, you know, portfolio in this market. Now, there are other miners, okay, altcoin miners, but really I don't feel comfortable to actually start investing in those, because like some miners actually mine on algorithms, just like this Obelisk SC1, okay, mining some Sia coin or Sia coin, and you know, I just don't feel really comfortable to actually be stuck on something that has a really limited time in the cryptocurrency market. That does not mean that Sia coin is actually a scam. I'm not saying that, okay guys, be careful with these words, okay, because you know, altcoins mining really is risky, and because you are stuck with one algorithm, and if, you know, coins on that algorithm perform poorly, just like the Zcash did, okay, when they actually forked and then they gone against their community, here you have the result, $49 per Zcash. Now the whole market is down, but still, you know, I was a big supporter of Zcash before it turned to ASIC mining and became hypocritical to actually its project. And you know, from going to actual from $700 to nearly just cents or even a couple dollars, I mean, I just feel really bad. You know, it's a decentralized, privacy focused cryptocurrency, you know, and then they just gone against their community. So that's what you get for going against your community. Anyways guys, just this is the Bitcoin mining conclusion, and see you guys on the next video.